Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to be back on the Mk1 box thingy. Yeah, so where were we last time was that it nearly fitted, but not quite. It looks like maybe my repair that I've done, if we try and take this out, cover your ears guys. Oh, it's a snug fit, which is good. My repair that I've done here is, I think I've brought it out too far and I've merged it with this tunnel. So I think what I need to do is get the persuading tool and just try and reshape that slightly, and I think that will sit down and then we can try again. So we'll do that, we'll go find a big persuading tool and a grinder to grind some of that down. Well, whoever watches this back when they own this car one day can definitely say you haven't. I haven't cut anything out. You just saw me hitting it with a big hammer. What I'm just going to do is, I haven't done yet, is just spot weld along the other door side. So I'm going to do that now, because then that'll help. Bit easier at the moment, so we're going to clean that up and get some spot weld on that. Sorry guys, hope you didn't hurt yourself too much. Didn't mean to do that. So yeah, that's like the side spot welded. Bits more to do around that area, that corner by the bottom of the door, but that can wait for now. So yeah, alright. Yeah, I'm trying to hit it with a hammer. It's getting there. It's getting there. A little bit more fettling and then we'll see how we go, and then what we'll do, we'll mark holes and punch stuff. Hey. Okay, what I've done is I've marked where I need to punch holes, because I silly did that before. On my last one I just drilled loads of holes thinking they're in the right place, but then realised if you get them in the wrong place, you've drilled a hole over the little pressing, so you've got nothing to weld to. So let's give this a go. Do you like this toy? Dump valve. Warm. I think that's going to work. It's looking good. I just need to get it pushed down and welded. Get the gear lever welded back on, gear handbrake bracket, Get it in the right position. I'll just double check. I know where it's got to go in the centre, give or take, because that's defined by where I've cut the gear handbrake off. And then it's just make sure it's got to be square, to be honest. You know, can't go too far wrong, but a quick measurement won't do it any harm. And then what we'll just do is we'll just gently jack the floor up just to make it press against the bottom of the box to do the rest of the welds. Hopefully it shouldn't distort it because the box is straight, so it should make the floor straight. But the first thing to do is get it pressed down both sides so we can get it far down as possible, so get some tacks on it and do that. I think for the moment I'm just going to have a break, not that it'll make any difference to you, then come back. Cool. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there for today. One at a time, so I just wanted to show you. Sometimes I get time to do stuff, sometimes I don't. So yeah, that's the way it is sometimes. So, but it's always just best to get out here. In between the takes, I don't think I saw you in my other shot, but Mrs. just gave me a haircut. So continuity errors there, not brilliant. But anyway, just chicken and chips for tea. One other thing is I'm getting near 5,000 subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click the notification button as well. Then you just get notified when I do videos. Obviously I'll try and do most of them at 7 o'clock. But you never know. You might get a surprise video one day during the day and you're going to miss it. So yeah, but yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let's try and push the 5,000 because that's the halfway mark then to my classic car giveaway, which if you don't even know about my classic car giveaway, if you're the new people, check out classiccargiveaway.co.uk. It's in the description. And that's my idea of basically giving away a classic car that we're going to restore together. But that might be next year by now, to be honest, by the time I get 10,000, because that's supposed to be winning 10,000. But let's try and push 5,000 this week. So again, please hit subscribe, hit share it on Facebook, share everywhere if you can do. And let's see if we can get past 5,000. And I've got a couple of people, hopefully, company's going to do some giveaways with me as well. So there'll be some more stuff to win. So anyway, that's it for today. Back on this car tomorrow. Let's crack on and get this ready for the sandblaster.